Travel plays a crucial role in enriching a writer's work. It exposes writers to new cultures, languages, and experiences, all of which can be woven into their narratives. The act of travel itself challenges writers, forcing them to adapt and observe the world with fresh eyes. This results in authentic and engaging stories that reflect the diversity of human experience. The places and people encountered during travel become characters and settings, giving depth and authenticity to writing. Travel exposes the writer to the sights, sounds, and smells that she can only get through travel. During the Victorian era, travel was often a pursuit of knowledge, adventure, and social status. It was a way for the wealthy to explore the world, document their experiences, and bring back stories of far-off lands. Travel was seen as a means to broaden one's understanding of the world, often with an emphasis on the exotic and unknown. For some, it was a way to escape the constraints of their society and experience the freedom of new cultures. In the Victorian era, travel writing served both as entertainment and education. It offered readers a glimpse into distant lands and cultures, satisfying their curiosity about the world beyond their immediate surroundings. These accounts were often published in books, newspapers, and magazines, allowing the public to vicariously experience adventures in foreign lands. Travel writing also reinforced colonial ideologies, with writers often portraying the places they visited through a lens of Western superiority. Famous indigenous travel writers and their writings. Muhammad the traveler, Sake Din Muhammad, originally from India, published the Travels of Din Muhammad in 1794, making him one of the earliest Indian travel writers in English. His book offers a unique perspective of an Indian in Britain during a time of colonial rule. Nain Singh Rawat, a 19th century Indian explorer and cartographer who made significant contributions to mapping the Himalayas. Though his works were not widely published in his time, his travels were crucial in providing detailed geographical knowledge of the region. Rigoberta Menchú, a Quiché Maya woman from Guatemala. Menchú is known for her work I, Rigoberta Menchú, which blends autobiography with travel writing, providing a rich narrative of her experiences and cultural identity. The purpose of travel writing extends beyond mere documentation of places and events. It serves as a bridge between cultures, allowing readers to understand and appreciate the diversity of the world. Travel writing can inspire others to explore, educate them about different cultures, and provoke thought about social and political issues. It also preserves the experiences of the writer, capturing moments and insights that might otherwise be lost. Travel writing has the power to transport readers, offering them a window into lives and worlds far removed from their own, fostering empathy and a greater understanding of humanity.